this is today's work day. We got wet floors, man. We had a flood. This guy's house here. Nice people. We try to help them out, get it cleaned out. Old house, 1920s or older, I'm not sure. We got some fans going, but this is pretty cool. I wanted to show you this. This is, I don't know if it's coming over bright. It's a cool window. Definitely like to do something one day like that. But this is the downstairs. Plaster. See, these floors are buckling here. This is what we got going on in this room. Full flood. Yeah, man. So, let's see what we can do.